Welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today I'm going to show you how to use AZ Screen Recorder on iOS and Android, and I'll walk you through each step in a simple and clear way so you can start recording your screen with ease. Now let's get started. Step 1 is to install the app by opening the Google Play Store or App Store, searching for AZ Screen Recorder and downloading it. This app is free, lightweight and safe to use for screen recording. Once installed, it will instantly place a floating menu on your screen for quick access. Step 2 is to configure the settings by tapping the small gear icon inside the app. Here, you can choose your video resolution, your audio source, and whether you want touches to appear on screen. These settings help you customize your recording depending on what you want to capture. Step 3 is to start recording by tapping the video camera icon from the floating menu. Once you tap Start Recording in the pop-up, a 3-second countdown appears to give you time to prepare your screen. After the countdown ends, everything on the display will begin recording. Step 4 is to stop recording by swiping down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. You'll see the AZ Screen Recorder notification with a stop button waiting. Tap it and your video will instantly be saved to your gallery. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tutorials.